Ramanatha was the son of a rich landlord. Son, male child, beta. Rich, having a lot of money or property. Amir, landlord, a man who owns land. Zamindar. His father left him large tracts of land when he died. Left, gave after death, मरने के बाद छोड़ देना. Large, big in size, बड़ा. Tracts of land, large areas of land, ज़मीन के बड़े टुकड़े. Died, passed away, मर गया. But Ramanatha did not spend even one day looking after his land. Spend, use time or money. खर्च करना. Even, at all, to any degree. भी, looking after, taking care of, देखभाल करना. Land, property, earth surface, ज़मीन. This was because he had a funny idea. Because, for the reason, क्योंकि, funny idea, strange or odd belief, अजीब विचार. He believed there was a magic potion that could turn any object into gold. Believed, thought something is true. विश्वास करना. Magic potion, a drink with magical powers. जादुई दवा. Turn into, change into, बदल देना. Object, thing, वस्तु. Gold, a precious yellow metal, सोना. He spent all his time to learn more about this potion. Spent, used, खर्च किया. All his time, every moment, सारा समय. Learn, gain knowledge, सीखना. Potion, liquid with special powers, औषधि या दवा. People cheated him often, promising to tell him about it, but he didn't give up. Cheated, tricked, deceived, धोखा दिया. Often, many times, बार बार. Promising, assuring, saying they would, वादा करते हुए. Give up, stop trying, हार मान लेना. His wife Madhumati was tired of this and also worried because she saw how much money Ramanatha was spending. Wife, female spouse, पत्नी. Tired of, fed up, no longer happy, तंग आ गई. Worried, anxious, tense, चिंतित. Saw, noticed, observed, देखा. Spending, using up, money, खर्च कर रहा था. She was sure that soon they would be without money. Sure, certain, confident, निश्चित. Soon, in a short time, जल्दी. Without, lacking, not having, बिना. Money, currency, wealth, पैसा. One day, a famous sage called Mahipati came to their town. One day, at a particular time in the past, एक दिन, famous, well known, प्रसिद्ध, sage, a wise person, often a saint, ऋषि, साधु, called, named, नामक, came, arrived, आया, town, a populated place, नगर या शहर. Ramanatha became his follower and asked him about the potion. Became, turned into, बन गया, follower, someone who believes in and supports a person, अनुयायी. Asked, questioned, पूछा, about, concerning, के बारे में. पोशन, ए मैजिकल लिक्विड, जादुई द्रव्य. टू हिज सरप्राइज द सेज आंसर्ड. टू हिज सरप्राइज अनएक्सपेक्टेडली फॉर हिम, उसकी हैरानी के लिए. आंसर्ड, रिप्लाइड, उत्तर दिया. यस. In my travels in the Himalayas, I heard how you could make such a potion. Travels, journeys, यात्राएं. Himalayas, mountain range in the northern India, the Himalaya. Heard, listened and understood, सुना. Could, was able to, सकता है. मेक, क्रिएट, बनाना. सच, ऑफ दिस काइंड, इस तरह का. बट इट इज़ डिफ़िकल्ट, डिफ़िकल्ट, हार्ड, नॉट ईजी, कठिन. टेल मी, रिक्वेस्टेड रामनाथ, नॉट बिलीविंग हिज लॉक. टेल मी, से टू मी, मुझे बताओ. रिक्वेस्टेड, आस्क्ड पोलाइटली, अनुरोध किया. नॉट बिलीविंग हिज लक, सरप्राइज्ड, समथिंग गुड वॉज हैपनिंग, अपने भाग्य पर विश्वास ना करते हुए. यू हैव टू प्लांट ए बनाना प्लांट एंड वाटर इट रेगुलरली विथ योर हैंड्स. Plant, to put into the ground to grow, लगाना. Banana plant, a tree that grows bananas, केले का पौधा. Water it, give water, पानी देना. Regularly, consistently, often, नियमित रूप से. With your hands, using your own hands, अपने हाथों से. In winter, the morning dew is on the leaves. Winter, cold season, सर्दी. Morning, every part of the day, early part of the day, सुबह. Dew, drops of water on cool surfaces, ओस. Leaves, parts of the plant, पत्तियाँ. You have to collect the dew and store it in a bottle. Collect, gather, एकत्र करना. Store, keep safely, संग्रह करना. Bottle, container, बोतल. When you have 5 liters of dew, bring it to me. 5 liters, a quantity of liquid, 5 liter. Bring, take something to someone. लाओ. I will chant some magic words which will turn it into the magic potion. Chant. Speak repeatedly or rhythmically. Japna. Magic words. Special spell words. जादुई मंत्र. Turn into. ट्रांसफॉर्म. बदल देना. मैजिक पोशन. मैजिक लिक्विड. जादुई अमृत या जादुई दवा. A drop of the potion will change any object into gold. Drop. Small amount of liquid. बूंद. Change. Convert. बदल देना. Object. Item. Thing. वस्तु. Gold. Valuable yellow metal. सोना. Ramanatha was worried, feeling anxious or concerned, चिंतित. But winter is only for few months. Winter, the coldest season of the year. सर्दी या शीत ऋतु. Only, just, सिर्फ, मात्र. Few, small in number, कुछ. Months, units of time, each roughly 30 days. महीने. It will take me years to collect 5 liters of dew. Take, require or need. लगना. Years, a period of 12 months. साल, वर्ष. Collect, gather together, इकट्ठा करना. Liters, units for measuring liquids. Liter. Dew, tiny drops of water on surfaces in the morning. Ose. You can plant as many banana plants as you want. Plant. Verb, to put a seed or plant in soil. लगाना या बोना. As many as, however many, जितने चाहो उतने. Banana, a tropical fruit. केला. Plants, living things that grow in the ground. पौधे. But remember, you must look after them yourself. Remember, to keep in mind. याद रखना. Must, necessary or required. ज़रूरी है या चाहिए. Look after, to look, to take care of. देखभाल करना. Yourself, without help from others. खुद. And collect the dew with your own hands. Collect, to gather, इकट्ठा करना. Dew, moisture from the air that forms on cool surfaces. Ose, own, belonging to oneself. Apna. Hands, the part of your body at the end of each arm. Hath. Ramanatha went home and after talking to his wife started cleaning his large fields which had been lying empty all these years. Went home, returned to his house. घर गया. After talking, following a conversation. बातचीत करने के बाद. Cleaning, removing dirt and weeds. साफ कर रहा था. Large fields, big plots of farmland, बड़े बड़े खेत. Lying empty, unused, not cultivated, खाली पड़े हुए. There he planted rows and rows of banana plants. Planted, put seeds or plants into the ground. लगाया. Rows and rows, many lines, पंक्तियों में. banana plants, trees that grow bananas, केले के पौधे. He tended them carefully and during the winter months collected the dew that formed on them with great care. Tended, looked after, देखभाल की. Carefully, with attention, सावधानी से. Winter months, cold season, सर्दी के महीने. Collected, gathered, इकट्ठा किया. Dew, water droplets formed from condensation. O's, formed on them, appeared on the leaves, उन पर जमी. With great care, very attentively, बहुत ध्यान से. His wife helped him too. Helped, assisted, मदद की. To, also, भी. Madhumati gathered the banana crop, took it to the market and got a good price for it. Gathered or collected, इकट्ठा किया. Banana crop, the harvested bananas, केले की फसल. Took it to the market, brought it for sale, बाज़ार ले गई. Got a good price, sold it for good money, अच्छे दाम मिले. Over the years, Ramanatha planted more and more plants and they had a huge banana plantation. Over the years, as time passed, वर्षों में, more and more, increasing number, और ज़्यादा. Huge, very big, विशाल. Banana plantation, farm with banana trees, केले का बागान. At the end of 6 years, he finally had his 5 liters of dew. At the end, after the time passed, अंत में, 6 years, a duration of 6 years, 6 साल. Finally, at least, आखिरकार, 5 liters of dew, 5 लीटर ओस. Carefully, he took the bottle to the sage. Carefully, with attention, सावधानी से. Took, carried, ले गया. Bottle, container, बोतल. Sage, wise man or saint, ऋषि, साधु. The sage smiled and muttered something over the water. Smiled, expressed happiness with a smile. मुस्कुराया. Muttered, spoke softly or unclearly. बुदबुदाया. Something, unspecified word. कुछ. Over the water, while looking at or holding the water. पानी पर. Then he returned the bottle and said, try it out. Returned, gave back, वापस किया. Said, spoke, कहा. Try it out, taste it, आजमाओ. Ramanatha sprinkled a few drops on a copper vessel and waited for it to turn to gold. Sprinkled, dropped small amounts, छोटे डाले, छींटे डाले. A few drops, small quantity of liquid, कुछ बूंदें. Copper vessel, utensil made of copper, तांबे का बर्तन. Waited, remained in expectation, इंतज़ार किया. Turn to gold, become gold, सोना बन जाना. To his surprise, nothing happened. To his surprise, unexpectedly for him, उसके आश्चर्य के लिए. Nothing happened. No change occurred. कुछ नहीं हुआ. This is cheating, he told the sage. Cheating, acting dishonestly or fraudulently. धोखा देना। He told, he said to someone, उसने कहा, उसने बताया। Sage, a wise person or holy man, ऋषि या ज्ञानी व्यक्ति। I have wasted 6 precious years of my life. Wasted, used badly or without purpose, बर्बाद किया। 6 precious years, 6 valuable or important years, 6 कीमती साल। Of my life, during my lifetime, मेरे जीवन के। But says Mahipati only smiled and called Madhumati to come forward. Smiled, showed happiness by lifting the corners of the mouth, मुस्कुराया। Called, asked someone to come, बुलाया। Come forward, step ahead, आगे आओ। She came with a big box, came, moved forward, moved toward, आई। Big box, large container, बड़ा डब्बा या box। When she opened it, inside signed stacks of gold coins. Opened, made something accessible by removing a cover, खोला। Inside, within the box, अंदर, signed, reflected light brightly, चमक रहे थे। Stacks, piles arranged one on another, ढेर। Gold coins, coins made up of gold metal, सोने के सिक्के। Now the sage turned to the very surprised Ramanatha and said, turned to, faced or addressed, मुड़ा और कहा। Very surprised, extremely shocked or amazed, बहुत आश्चर्यचकित। Said, spoke, कहा। There is no magic potion that can turn things into gold. No, and not any, नहीं। Magic potion, special magical liquid, जादुई औषधि। Turn things into gold, change objects to gold, चीज़ों को सोना बनाना। You worked hard on your land and created this plantation. Worked hard, put in a lot of effort, मेहनत की। Land, area of ground, ज़मीन। Created, made or produced, बनाया। Plantation, large farm of plants or trees, बागान। While you looked after the trees, your wife sold the fruits in the market. Looked after, took care of, देखभाल की। Trees, plants with trunks and branches, पेड़। Sold, exchanged for money, बेचा। Fruits, edible parts of plants, फल। Market, place where goods are sold, बाजार। That's how you got this money. That's how, in that way, इसी तरह। Got, received, मिला। Money, currency or cash, पैसा। It was your hard work that created this wealth, not magic. Hard work, serious effort and labor, कड़ी मेहनत। Created, brought into existence, बनाया। Wealth, abundance of valuable possessions or money, धन। Not magic, not something supernatural, जादू नहीं। If I had told you about this earlier, you would have not listened to me, so I have played a trick on you. If, on the condition that, यदि, told, informed, बताया, earlier, before now, पहले, would have not listened, probably not paid attention, नहीं सुना होता, played a trick, deceived or fooled, चालाकी दिखाई, धोखा दिया। Ramanatha understood the wisdom behind these words and worked even harder on his plantation from that day on. Understood, comprehended or realized, समझ गया। wisdom, deep knowledge and good judgment, बुद्धिमता. Behind these words, the meaning or lesson of the statement. इन शब्दों के पीछे worked even harder, put in more effort, और भी ज़्यादा मेहनत की. Plantation, farm और garden, बागान. From that day on, starting from that time forward, उस दिन से.